How to activate low age credit card online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily activate low age credit card online. So let's get started. First thing, just simply search in for low age credit card activate online from any of your favorite browser and simply tap on the first link which appears over here. So basically you just have to provide your card number, social security number for the last four digits, as well as your security code, which is 3 digit security code on the back of your card. So once you fill out all of your details, you have to just immediately destroy the existing lowest advantage card, and the team that is lowest will be proceeding with your information following your information provided by you. So make sure that all of the details that you provided are correct, and once you ensure of that, just click on activate my card and they will do the rest to activate your my lowest rewards credit card. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.